Hey guys,
In this video I will teach you very quickly how you can convert your Microsoft Word doc or doc document online to PDF. This is very useful for you to make an ebook or put some of your documents on your website, in a way that people can download it and not change it. So let's go. First thing, make sure you know where your save.doc file is.
To Doc.
Let's use the Google Docs tool. To use it, you just need to have a Gmail account. It's a free tool that you can switch off online. So let's go.
docs.google.com.
Docs.google.com. It automatically opens the document session and I'm going to click here and wait. Start the new blank document. Open my blank document here and the first thing I'm going to do is open file. You can check that it will open some tabs for you to open your file. Some might drive, shared, star, and what I'm going to do is upload. So here I will be able to drag my documents or simply click here to select. I clicked. I'm going to open my file here, which is my resume, which is in doc. Open it. It will upload the document here and it will open here for me. Look how cool. This is all online, nothing installed. So let's convert. Let's go. Select file here, go to download as. You will see that it will give you several extension formats and the fourth format is the PDR document. When you click on it, it automatically starts downloading for you. Look down here, the download has been completed, just click now. Look how cool. My doc became PDS. This is very easy, very intuitive.